this quick video guide, I want to show you how you can use Vantage using SketchUp and other software in combination also with V-Ray. So Vantage and V-Ray are from the same producer, which is Chaos. So if you want to go here and type live link Chaos Vantage, you can download the various software and you will have also the instruction to use live link. So what live link is basically is the possibility to work simultaneously with one of these software here like 3ds Max, Maya, SketchUp, Revit, Cinema 4D or Rhino, with V-Ray, and simultaneously with Chaos Vantage, which is more, well, it's a standalone application dedicated to rendering. So if you're interested in all these software, you will find it in the channel. Also in Vantage, you will find the Vantage video course in the channel. And here I'm just gonna show you SketchUp. But essentially, when you install the SketchUp application, the V-Ray for SketchUp, you can download here from the download link, and Vantage, which is currently free till a precise date, but you can check every detail in the official website here. So once you download these three applications, you can then do live link just by going here. You can see all the instruction. You just need to open up the toolbar, the Chaos Vantage toolbar in SketchUp, or you can go here in Vantage extensions V-Ray live link, but it's pretty much an automatic thing. It's not something so difficult. Now the alternative to live link, which is basically again simultaneously working with SketchUp in this case, but you can do it in other software. Now the alternative to that is to import. And if you're interested in Vantage, again, you will see a full video course in the channel showing you all the features of Vantage. So I'm just gonna go here and restart using the sample scene of Vantage. And I'm also gonna show you here real quick in SketchUp. This is where you should look for the toolbar. If it's missing, you right click and you search it here. Now, I'm sorry, this is in Italian, but essentially you need to look for Vantage toolbar. And also here, if you don't have it, right click on the toolbar on an empty space, click on toolbars and look for Vantage right there. And well, of course you need to have installed V-Ray for SketchUp if you want to see it. Now another thing you can do here, it's also use other extensions for real-time rendering. For example, another one you can give a look which works beautifully is Enscape, always from Chaos Group. So you can install it from here, or you can check the website of Enscape, and again you will find videos, lessons and courses about Enscape, V-Ray in the channel. So if you're interested, you don't find it, write in the comments, ask for questions, ask for assistance, or you can also write your suggestions. So you either here use the live link or you export. You can also export the SketchUp file, or you can export VR scene or VR meshes. So which means the SketchUp file plus the scene with all these assets and so on. Now in Vantage, you can see the live link right here. So if it's working, you will see it right here. You can start and stop and so on. So it's going to be like pretty automatic once you launch the application from SketchUp. You can do it with Enscape, you can do it with Vantage, and I guess in the future they're gonna like unite together or something, but they are both from Chaos, so they share similar goals, I think. So when you are in Chaos Vantage, if you cannot use Live Link because you don't have V-Ray installed at the moment, all you can do is import. And again, you can check other videos in the channel talking about import, but I just want to show you here that you can do it with V-Ray scene and V-Ray proxy. So in this case, I'm going to show you here a scene from my course in V-Ray for 3ds Max. You can see I've exported some meshes and some complete scenes. Now the only thing you need to be careful is the materials and the textures, but you can also recreate here the materials, so don't worry. So in this case, I'm just gonna bring in this mesh. Now VR mesh is a single object usually, so it's a proxy. So if I import it, there you go. So I have this like nice ship which is already rendered here. We don't use a proxy, we are already seeing the ship itself. And now let's do an importing of an entire V-Ray scene or VR scene, which again, that's the format of Chaos Group for scenes and objects. So these are entire VR scene. Let me show you this one here. And you can say you can see you can import from Revit or other V-Ray. So I'm gonna import it, and there you go. Now everything is too bright because I need to adjust the lights. So I'm gonna go here in the objects panel, and if you expand this, you will find all the object in the scene. You can activate them or hide them. And probably here the problem is the sun, which is too high. So you can either change the intensity, you can change the exposure right away, or you can change the other parameters here. Just gonna hide the default tree and the scene origin so that we can see the models. So you can see that this could be again a model from any V-Ray, could be from SketchUp, could be from 3ds Max, could be from Cinema 4D. Now all those people there, they're just like silhouettes. Now I'm gonna get closer here to see that some material already is working okay, but most of the materials needs to be reconstruct. They need to be recreated here. And you can see here interiors, exteriors, architecture, and so on. So this is just, again, a quick look on how you can work with V-Ray and also with Vantage. You can work with SketchUp, another 3D software you can import and use cameras, you can use lights, you can use geometry, but you can see here that we need to work on this a little bit. So again, if you're interested, this is just, to show you a quick import. If you want to see the full course, check the Chaos Vantage video course in the channel. So also subscribe to stay updated and join the channel if you want to support us. Thanks for watching. See you in the next.